Hi everyone, it's David here at Digitrains. I hope you're all doing well. Today we've got a video of a recent sound installation completed by John D from our workshop team, this time on the fantastic brand new release from Cavalex. Due to the complex lighting arrangements within the model will only work with an ESU lock sound V5 21-pin decoder. So John converted our Paul Chetter Class 56 project, which was previously only available for Zimo decoders, so it's now available for ESU decoders, loaded onto a 58419 ESU V5 21-pin, popped that inside the loco along with a rail exclusive 55 by 20 by 10 speaker. The model comes with a built-in stay alive as standard from factory, which allows super smooth, reliable running. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're watching on YouTube, please don't forget to click like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in getting decoders, either sound or non-sound, installed in your locos, please get in touch with our workshop team, either via email, inquiries@digitrains.co.uk, or over the phone on 01522 527 731. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.